In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Webull paper trading. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the simulated trading environment so you can practice strategies with virtual funds and zero risk to your real account. First, sign into Webull either through the desktop application or directly in your web browser. Use whichever version you prefer. The process is essentially the same. If you're on the desktop app, make sure it's updated so the interface matches what we're discussing. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you normally monitor watch lists, charts, and positions. Next, look to the left side of your screen. Webull organizes most tools and account areas in the left-hand menu or among the navigation icons. You're looking specifically for the option labeled Paper Trading. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a menu item in a list or as a distinct icon in the navigation bar. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so the labels are visible, or scroll through the menu to reveal the full set of features. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout. It helps to know where your account, watch lists, and trade panels sit so you can move smoothly once you switch modes. When you see paper trading, click it. This action switches you from your live account view into a simulated account with virtual buying power. You'll notice clear indicators that you're in paper mode, typically a dedicated paper trading page and an on-screen balance that's not tied to your real funds. From here, you can place practice trades the same way you would in a live environment, using market, limit, stop, and other common order types. Charts, order tickets, and positions panels work similarly, so you can rehearse your routine end-to-end. A few quick tips to make your practice more productive. Treat this like the real thing. Plan your entries and exits, size your positions thoughtfully, and keep notes on what you're testing. Pay attention to order confirmations and fills to understand how your instructions translate into executed trades. If you're brand new, start by practicing with small position sizes in the simulator while you learn how the platform routes orders and displays open positions, pending orders, and realized or unrealized P&L. Remember that paper trading is designed for learning. It mirrors many aspects of the market, but execution and data can differ slightly from live conditions, especially during fast moves. That's it. Log in, locate the paper trading option in the left-hand menu or navigation icons, and click to switch into the simulator and begin practicing. Take your time exploring the tools here so you build confidence before risking real capital.